Have you ever opened WhatsApp ready to post on your status and then just stared at your screen because you had no idea what to post? The truth is, most people run out of content ideas fast, just like the way you do. Now, the thing is, you cannot keep posting the same old content over and over on WhatsApp. People will just skip your status without even thinking twice. And on the other hand, if you know exactly what to post, you can make your audience stop, engage, and even buy from you. And I get you because I've worn your shoe before. I have been there before in the past. Few years ago, I saw skincare products, and I bet you that my WhatsApp status was one of the most boring WhatsApp status you've come across then because I lacked content ideas. I didn't know what I was doing. So I didn't know what to post either. I was just posting product pictures, you know, always posting product pictures and maybe my pictures here and there. And that alone cannot keep people, like, you cannot keep their attention when you're just repeating old content of product picture and maybe your picture and few jokes. You need content ideas that will draw their attention. That is why in this video, I am not just going to share one or two or three, but 10 WhatsApp status ideas that you can always use so that you never run out of content ideas. Now, the best part is there is more. There is over 50 plus content ideas that you can get from the ultimate WhatsApp status magnet. That is where I lifted this 10 from that we are going to discuss today. So this ultimate WhatsApp status magnet is an ebook that I created so that if you are having problems or if you are struggling with attracting people, attracting attention to your WhatsApp status, you can use this as a solution to make people to always go to your WhatsApp status, to always see what you are posting and eventually buy from you. Because I mean, if you're a business person and you're using WhatsApp status to sell, you're posting your products, pictures, and every other thing there, and people don't even see it, how will you sell? So first, you need to magnet their attention. So this ebook will help you magnet their attention. So as I said earlier, I lifted this from the ebook because it is contained in one of the chapters there. Over 50 plus content ideas you can use. I'm going to tell you more about the ebook later, but in the meantime, let us dive right into the list. Now, if you see me looking down, I am reading right from the ebook, The Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet. And we are going to go for the first point. The first one is for you to share your win or your success. I know that you are used to posting memes, you are used to posting product pictures, your videos, and all that. Now, can we do something different? Can you share your win and your success? Yes, your win can be anything. Oh, today I was able to sell two products is a win. Yes. For another person, it is not a win. I mean, the person is used to selling 10 products a day, but for you, you are just starting out, or it barely happens. I mean, latest you just have one sale, or at sometimes you don't even have any sale. So today you had two sales. I mean, it is a win. It is worth celebrating. It is worth sharing. It is worth telling your contact list. It is worth saying, "Oh my God, I'm so happy I made two sales today. Thank you so much for believing in my brand. Thank you so much, for patronizing me." Now, when you do this, it also shows that you are appreciative. You are grateful that they are patronizing you. What is your win? You lost weight. Share it. Now, doing this will build that connection because I mean, you're telling your personal win, and they are like, "Oh my God, they're happy for you," because they're getting to know you. They know that before you had body fat and you didn't like it, now you lost it. They're happy for you. They're getting to know you, and when people know you, they like you and they trust you. They eventually buy from you. It could be that you successfully delivered 6 products today to different locations. Oh, you delivered two to Oka in Anambra State. Oh, you delivered the rest to Kaduna. Oh, I'm so grateful that I did this. I was able to do this. Is a win. Share it. Share your success, okay? Secondly, share your past achievements. What did you achieve in the past? Please share with us. Because it might even motivate someone out there that is currently struggling with that. It might be that, oh, someone is struggling with losing weight and you've done that. You did that 2 years ago. Now you've lost some weight and you are sharing that with us. Omo, you are literally helping that person that is struggling with that currently, and the person will even start liking you, or even start engaging with your content because I mean, you literally put out an information that helped her without even knowing. Like you didn't even know that this information will help her, but you did it. And that person will begin to like you, begin to engage with you, begin to get attracted, or will I say your status will literally attract that person. The person will come to be checking to see if there's any other valuable content that you posted on your WhatsApp status. If there was a month you successfully sold over 50 products, share the achievements, okay? Those past achievements, share it. The third content idea is for you to share about the tools you use for your online business. Now, I'm going to start by telling you mine. Let's start with the fact that I create content here on YouTube. Now, the tools I use are definitely I edit my videos myself. So the tools I use are InShot or CapCut. I also use Canva for designing my thumbnail. Now, for editing pictures, I use Lightroom. These are some of the tools I use. As a business owner, share this information on your WhatsApp status. Okay, someone might need it out there, and someone might eventually start liking you because you shared such a vital information, such an information that will literally make them be like, oh my God, thank you for telling me this. I didn't know it before, but now you've told me, I'm so grateful. They might not come and tell you, but they are grateful and they will eventually start liking you and eventually buy from you because they find your content valuable. Now, the fourth point is for you to talk about someone that inspires you. Who inspires you? It could be within your own environment, not necessarily a celebrity, not necessarily someone that is known online, not necessarily a content creator. Instead of it being Hilda Bassi or maybe Oprah Winnie, it could be someone, your friend, it could be someone on your contact list that inspires you. Yes, I have someone on my WhatsApp status that literally inspires me. This lady is young. Young, less than 25 years, less than 24 years, but this girl has literally done business for 4 years, a successful business. She has been successful, she has done different businesses, and she has literally made money without being employed. And if you see the way she posts on her WhatsApp status, you know that this girl is well grounded, like she knows what she's doing. She has the information. Her WhatsApp status is never boring. It's always there to attract. She's always posting content that will make you go back, come back for more. You always want to check her WhatsApp status every day because she's always doing the right thing. She's always posting the right content. So this lady inspires me. I'm inspired by her consistency. I'm inspired by what she does. She's a go-getter literally. At a young age, she has organized conferences for young people. She has been invited to speak at conferences. She has paid money to gain access to rooms, to gain access to people. Like she's really, really, really a go-getter. Okay. So now, who inspires you? It can be a friend. It can be someone on your WhatsApp status. It can be a public figure. It could be Hilda Bassi. It could be anybody. So please tell us who inspires you. Okay. We might even have the same person that inspires us, and then I'll be prompted to, reply you and be like, yes, I'm also inspired by her. From there, people will start engaging on your WhatsApp status. Another point is for you to share business lessons you've learned from. Now, those things you've learned online, offline, you've read from books, share it. As you are learning, be open to share. Let people know that you know what you are doing. Okay? When you are learning and you're sharing, you're literally telling us that, I know what, I sabi, I know things, I'm knowledgeable, I have the information, I know my onion. So all these things I know. And you are in turn educating fellow business owners who follow you, or rather who view your WhatsApp status. And you're also telling your audience, your customers, that you know what you are doing. Now, if you feel you don't have any business lessons to share, why is this channel here? This channel is here for you to consume the knowledge there. Consume the knowledge there and go ahead and share on your WhatsApp status, okay? Moving on. The next idea is for you to create a spotlight on someone you have on your audience that is doing well. Now, a few minutes ago or seconds ago, I was talking about someone that inspires me. Now I can create a spotlight on her, someone that is doing well, because she's doing well. She's literally thriving in her online business and what she's doing online. So I can spotlight her one day. I can come and talk about her, put her picture there, even put her handles, like her social media handles, put her WhatsApp status number, if it is okay. And also that if she's a business person, I can like be like, okay, this is her phone number, do well to patronize her, then talk about her business, spotlight her on my WhatsApp status. Now, when you do this, you can literally make that person want to return that favor. You see that another day the person will want to spotlight you or will literally spotlight you on her WhatsApp status. Do you get it? Or the person will start considering collaborating with you, working with you. You will now be in that person's mind because of this simple favor that you did. Because of this spotlight, this creating of spotlight. You are encouraging that person, you are motivating that person, and that person will begin to know you, or rather, the person will begin to like you, start paying attention to you, because this person will be like, I don't really know this person, but she's actually doing this, she's actually creating a spotlight, she's actually talking about me and my brand. Then I think I need to start paying attention. Do you see what happened there? You can go ahead and do this for your friends, especially the ones who owns businesses. Spotlight them, talk about their business. Now the next point is you can ask for recommendations. See, you have to use your WhatsApp status to your advantage. I mean, you have people watching you, you have audiences there. How about you ask them for recommendations? Oh, I want to buy this type of hair. Please, can you people help me? What do you think I should do? Ask them questions, ask them for recommendations. Okay, which type of brand should I go for? I want to get this supplement. Should I go for this particular brand or should I go for this brand? People that has used that product will tell you, okay, go for this brand because this brand is better. One thing you have to understand is that on WhatsApp you have a community that is your own Instagram, where these influencers and content creators that have large followings, that they have audiences, they have people watching them, so they can easily go there and ask questions. On WhatsApp, if you're lucky enough to have large people, like you have a lot of people watching you, seeing your WhatsApp status, then use it to your advantage. Ask them questions, ask them, tell them to recommend things for you. Please, this brand, should I go for this brand? Or please, what do you recommend? Should I go for this particular type of hair? Or okay, if I get this type of hair, should I use this type of conditioner? What should I use? Ask for recommendations. You get the picture, right? Moving on, the next idea is for you to show someone using your products. What do you sell? Do you sell handmade beaded bags? Do you sell clothes, jewelries? Can you show us someone rocking your product, someone using your product, someone wearing your products, someone wearing your brand? Showcase that person on your WhatsApp status. Or let's say you sell creams, body care products. Can you show them as they're using your products? Can you show how their skin looks, how their skin glows after they used your products, after they have used your products? Moving on, you might think, I don't have content to post, so I don't know what to post. Have you considered sharing your other social profiles to connect on? Like sharing your social media handles where they can connect with you. Your Instagram handle, your TikTok handle, Twitter handle, your YouTube handle. Have you considered sharing those things? Telling them, okay, can you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook if you're comfortable with that. Sometimes I'm not comfortable with sharing some of my handles, that is fine. If you're comfortable with that, share those things on your WhatsApp status, okay? Let them connect with you, especially if you want them to connect, not just connect with you on WhatsApp, but also connect with you on Instagram and the rest. Now, I also want you to share videos you created while you are working. Perhaps you make clothes, or you formulate skincare products, or you make beaded bags, or waist bead, or you knit, all those things. Can you show us videos of yourself when you're working, doing the process of making it? Let us see the effort you put in making all those things, the cake that you produce. Let us see the effort you are putting, the attention to details you are paying. Let us know that this one dey try, you see effort wey she do. See, this is time consuming. having to string the beads, having to be, arrange the beads according to different colors. Show us the process, okay? Not just posting the product, the finished product. Show us the process too. The next thing on my list here is for you to share inspirational quotes and videos from other people gotten from YouTube, especially if it is connected to the solution you provide as a business owner. Yes, it is okay for you to go and share inspirational quotes that you got from YouTube. You can even screen record it, or you got from Instagram, from Pinterest. Share those inspirational quotes. You saw a quote that is telling you that as a young girl, you're supposed to take care of your skin, or take care. You know those posts that will tell you that things you should do before you turn 25. Ensure that you work out, ensure that you drink enough water, ensure that you invest in skincare. And it turns out that you're a skincare vendor. Take it to use it to your advantage. Lift that post, take that post and post it on your WhatsApp status. That inspirational post. Tell them that see, it says before you turn 25, ensure that you invest in your skincare. And here I am with a solution. I have skincare products that will literally help you glow, that will literally make you look good. Now, the last but not the least, share a recent and interesting research held in your industry. For instance, let's say you are in the hospitality industry and there's a recent research, about anything in your industry. Please tell us, share it, okay? This is a content idea. Don't see it as something that is not necessary for you to share. Now, you see this video is like literally telling you things that you overlook and feel that it's not necessary for me to share. I am literally telling you, bringing it to your face, telling you that yes, you need to share these things. Go and check, go and make the research, go and check, like check online. What are they saying about my industry? Tell us on your self status, okay? Now here's the best part. These 10 ideas are just a tiny piece of what I cover in my book, The Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet. Inside that book, I go deeper into giving you frameworks and proven strategies to help you turn your WhatsApp status into a magnet. A magnet that would magnet attention, magnet sales, and even leads. Now, the juicy part is that this powerful ebook, The Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet, is part of my bundle, which is the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. Now, this bundle will literally help you as a business owner move from struggling to earning consistently using WhatsApp. It was designed to help you stop struggling and rather start working with intentionality, with clarity, with structure, and with confidence while selling using WhatsApp. Inside this powerful bundle, you'll find ebooks, including this one. You find guides, a worksheet, a checklist, and trackers that will literally help you grow your business with ease. If you are intentional about growing your business and you want to do that with less stress, then I think you should check this ebook out. Check the first pinned comment for the link to check it out, or check the description box for the link to check it out. So if you have ever said, I don't know what to post, or I want my WhatsApp to bring me more customers, then this bundle was made for you. As I said before, check below for the details to access it. So tell me in the comment section, which of these would you be trying out first? I would love to hear from you. Also like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel if you want to watch or see more content like this. Till I see you in my next video. Take care.